Greetings from VSK Business Consultant. We extend a warm welcome to all business owners seeking to amplify their digital presence and embrace the transformative power of technology. At VSK Business Consultant, our core specialization lies in the expert development of cutting-edge websites and mobile applications, meticulously crafted to meet the evolving demands of the modern business landscape. We possess extensive and specialized experience in creating robust, intuitive, and high-performance digital solutions for both Android and iOS platforms, ensuring your business reaches its full potential and connects seamlessly with your target audience across all major devices and operating systems. With a proud and distinguished legacy spanning 15 years in the dynamic and rapidly evolving website and mobile application development industry, VSK Business Consultant brings unparalleled expertise, profound industry insights, and a proven track record of consistent success to every single project we undertake. Our seasoned and highly skilled team of developers, designers, and strategists is adept at transforming your unique business vision, no matter how ambitious, into a dynamic, user-friendly, and visually captivating digital reality. Each solution is meticulously tailored to meet your precise business objectives, enhance your brand identity, and drive measurable growth. We specialize in developing a comprehensive spectrum of web solutions designed to cater to diverse business needs. This includes elegant and highly efficient static websites perfect for establishing a strong foundational online presence, as well as complex dynamic and responsive websites that adapt flawlessly to any screen size and device, providing an optimal user experience across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Beyond traditional websites, we excel in crafting powerful and engaging mobile applications. Our expertise extends to developing sophisticated applications for online shopping and e-commerce, enabling businesses to create seamless digital storefronts and expand their reach into the lucrative online retail market. Furthermore, we design and implement specialized accounting and billing software solutions, meticulously engineered to streamline your financial operations, enhance efficiency, reduce manual errors, and provide real-time insights into your business's financial health. In today's hyper-connected and competitive digital age, a strong, vibrant, and strategic online presence is no longer merely an option or a desirable asset. It has unequivocally become an absolute necessity for survival and growth. This imperative holds true for businesses of every size and scope, from the nimble small-level or home-based business just starting its journey, to the flourishing medium-level enterprise looking to scale, and the expansive large-scale organization aiming to maintain market leadership. A dedicated, professionally developed website serves as your digital storefront, your 24/7 sales representative, and your primary communication hub with customers worldwide. This crucial need for a robust online presence extends across all sectors and business models. Whether you operate in retail, dealing directly with consumers, in wholesale, managing large-scale distribution, in manufacturing, producing goods, in distribution, overseeing supply chains, or in the service-oriented sector, providing expertise and assistance, every single entity, irrespective of its core activity, unequivocally requires a compelling and functional website. Moreover, with the ubiquitous presence and pervasive use of smartphones and mobile devices in daily life, a well-developed, intuitive, and high-performing mobile application is equally essential. Mobile apps provide unparalleled accessibility, fostering deeper customer engagement, facilitating seamless transactions, and offering personalized experiences that build lasting loyalty. They are no longer a luxury but a fundamental component of any successful digital strategy. At VSK Business Consultant, we possess an intimate understanding of the intricacies and ever-evolving dynamics of the digital landscape. We leverage our vast experience, technical prowess, and strategic foresight to deliver digital solutions that not only boast stunning aesthetics and cutting-edge design but also, crucially, drive tangible engagement, foster customer loyalty, and contribute directly to your business's sustainable growth and profitability. For expert website and mobile application consultation, where we can delve deep into your specific needs and outline a tailored digital strategy, please do not hesitate to contact us directly at 336 999. Our dedicated team is ready to provide the guidance and insights you need to make informed decisions for your digital future. We warmly invite you to visit our comprehensive website at www.vskbusinessconstant.in at your earliest convenience. Our website serves as a detailed showcase of our diverse portfolio, our range of services, and the success stories of our valued clients. While there, we have made it incredibly convenient for you to fix an appointment directly through our online portal, at a time and date that perfectly suits your schedule. To ensure we can provide the most precise and effective consultation, we strongly encourage you to provide comprehensive details regarding your industry category, the specific nature of your business, and all your detailed requirements directly on the appointment submission form. Once you have uploaded this vital information, our proactive team will meticulously review your submission and we will contact you immediately to initiate a thorough discussion about your project and propose tailored solutions that align with your strategic objectives. Stay connected with VSK Business Consultant and be part of our growing digital community. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for insightful content, tutorials, and updates on the latest digital trends. Follow our WhatsApp channel for quick updates and direct communication. Like us on Facebook to join our vibrant community and engage with our posts. And make sure to follow us on Instagram for visual inspiration and behind-the-scenes glimpses of our work. Trust VSK Business Consultant, your reliable partner in the digital transformation journey, to empower your business with a powerful, effective, and captivating online presence that not only attracts your target audience but also significantly sets you apart from the competition, driving unparalleled success in today's digital economy. We are committed to building your digital future, one innovative solution at a time.